During the Big Dam boom in Lesotho, a number of communities were moved and resettled. The disadvantage of these communities is that by their nature, they are communities in the rural areas, communities built up of persons that are not very educated, and persons that would normally not be able to allege their rights, let alone to afford legal help. So what Seinoli Trust does is it represents these communities by using the might of the law and challenging decisions in court. So basically what we have done so far is we've had two major cases, the Mapeleng case, whereby we restored access to clean water in Mapeleng. Communities in Mapeleng had for some time ran out of natural water because their springs were affected by the development of the dam.
Hobane ka nako nngwe ha re tswa sekolong re tlameha ho ya sedibeng mara ra sedibeng hole ha sepina ha re fihla sedibeng ha sepina re tla be re thola beng ba sediba metsi a sa ba lekane kaofela ebe ba re tebela
ntho ena e re bakela bothata ka nnete di boye kampa hore bua le nako eo re senang metsi re be re teteletse re le ba ka motseng o haufinyane kapo o holenyana le rona o e ka ngwa ka spinach mme a spinach mono ke motse o hole haholo ha motho o boetse mokgo hobane ka lekanya ho e ka ba o ka nka 30 minutes fela ho ya ka mono
le ntle le taba go ba re tebela metsi a ra jang ha sireletseha ha hlweka ho ha a re tshwarisa mafu a kang letsholo mala diso lehlatso le tse ding tse
ka 95 morero ke a o tshela metsi ka letamong la katse ho dithiba ya bele ha lefatshe la Mapeleng le metsi e meng ho reketla didiba tsa tjha ha di keta ho tjha ya bele hore re ntse re ya ho morero wa metsi a dihlaba ho ba bontsha hore ha hona mo re nwang teng re se re nwa ka mona ka nokaneng mo metsi a neng a theosa a hlaha modimo kwana e seng a di dibeng ya bele hore ba Seinoli setiana le ba morero wa metsi a dihlaba ho ba beha ka kgotla nyewe ya besola ba morero wa metsi a dihlaba ya bele ha kahlolo e dumellana hore morero wa metsi a dihlaba o re fe metsi.
The LHDA tried to avoid and avert the idea of having to restore water systems within Mapeleng. At the threat or upon us taking legal action, LHDA resettled and restored water for this community.
As we talk now, the Mapeleng village now has access to clean water, tapped water, that is easily accessible to each and every member of the community.
This is a challenging work because I have to build a rapport between the project and the communities so that when we do our legal stuff, at least there is an enabling environment between the project lawyers and the communities.
But Mapeleng is not a case of its own. There are 7 other communities in similar circumstances who are devoid of clean water and are communities based or constituted by this illiterate, vulnerable and poverty-stricken individuals. So what Seinoli strives to do is to take these communities, represent their cases in court and have justice restored for these communities.
They began to realize that, okay, these guys mean business, because we won a case against LADA with the community of Mapeleng. Water is there. You know, this is the kind of things that made them to believe in what we are saying.
We are hoping that with the help of partners, we will be able to help these communities have, again, access to clean water through taking LHDA to court if that will be necessary.
The terrain is mountainous. As we know, the dams are located in the mountain regions, in the mountain region. You cannot easily drive ordinary car, but you must have a 4x4 car so that you can reach out all the villages that are around the project area. So this is a big challenge for us.
It is a bit of a challenge to get these processes going. Firstly, to establish the legal empowerment program, we have to intensively capacitate the SWOLD, which is the partnering organization. Their capacity building has to be anything from learning to read and write. It has to be appreciation of laws, but also it means we have to incur expenses of trainers who will capacitate these communities. So it is our belief that for us to intensify and sustain and in a meaningful way institutionalize what we do, we need stable and sustainable funding. It is our plea as Seinoli team to say we are there, we are capable, and we have the passion of running this program to success. And it is our dream, and we believe with your help, with the help of the other partners and local NGOs, we can achieve a Lesotho where development does not lead to poverty. So this is our plea. Thank you.